Hi! Do you know that Data Team is the engine for actionable insight for any organization? Let me show you why. Oh, it's this side. Data science is a sexy job, and Data Team is the sexiest team in a business. I mean, just like when someone goes to the gym and works so hard till they become sexy, members of the Data Team have been beaten so hard by math and programming that our jobs are sexy. So Data Team is a team of professionals who work with data. Their main goal is to use data to plan and make decisions about programs and services of a business. Hi. So how do you join the Data Team? You run this.
Activities and call 911 for immediate response. Expect delays.
Back in the day, we data people were seen as report generators, some kind of order takers. We were being measured by the number of reports we produced instead of how those reports were being used in the success of the business. Where should I put this? The modern Data Team is one of the core teams of a data-driven organization. Nowadays, Data Teams play an integral role in the organization, and business leaders look to us to provide insights required to become a data-driven business. We are not just a technical team, but a bridge between data and the rest of the business, with one hand immersed into the needs of the business and the other one having a firm grip onto data. It's also good to know that having a data team does not mean that your organization is a data-driven organization. Having a data team and not using the data team to its full potential will only mean that your organization is data aware. But having the data team and using it to its full potential is when your organization becomes data-driven organization. Data teams are the most diverse teams ever created, and given the pace of technological changes in our industry, it is fair to assume that the data team will iterate and evolve over time. But according to the current time, there are roles of members of the data team that needs to be fulfilled, but not for everyone. I will give you a list of roles of data team members that I have curated, but it is good to know that the roles need to be filled based on the stage of the company or the stage of the organization. There are some roles that may not be necessary for a startup. There are roles that will be necessary for a startup. So let's look at these roles one by one.
Whispers in my head, what you gonna do? So take it, kid, away. chicken in your head. 쉽지 않아도 진실한 나만의 beliefs.
Let's start with Enterprise Data Officer, also known as Chief Data Officer in some organizations. This is a senior executive responsible for overseeing an organization's data strategy, governance, and management. Their role is pivotal in today's data-driven business landscape as they focus on harnessing the full potential of assets to drive business growth and innovation. Enterprise Data Officers are accountable for ensuring quality, security, security and compliance of data, as well as developing data-related policies and strategies. They collaborate with various departments to define data priorities and initiatives, aligning data management with organizations' objectives. In most organizations, Chief Data Officer is the lead of the data team, and everyone else within the data team reports to him or her.